Chef Mark, and today I've got a great question. It came in from a viewer, Jim. He's asking, what is better for wok cooking, gas or induction? And that is such a great question. The short answer is gas, but only if you're using a commercial style gas wok range. And the reason that's important is because when you're wok cooking, you can see I have, you can see I have my handy wok here. This is something I got at a restaurant supply store. So this is an authentic wok that you would see in a Chinese style restaurant. What you want is the flame tickling around the top when you're shaking the wok and tossing. The food catches that flame, catches some of that smoky flavor, and you get that wok flavor, the wok hay, and that really nice flavor that comes out of cooking with a wok. Without having all of that firepower, you're missing out on something. So what can we do at home? Well, a lot of manufacturers include a wok ring, and I think these are pointless. To be frank with you, yeah, they hold the wok in place. They make shaking the wok and tossing extremely difficult. I find this is fine, but what I really like to do when I'm wok cooking is I set I pull the rack off and I set my wok directly on the burner. I find that to be the best compromise when home cooking. And then when I am tossing the food, I try to make sure that I'm catching a little bit of the flame on this back edge when I'm tossing the flame. This is a nice high power burner, and will do a good job, probably a better job than a majority of the gas burners out there. But induction is a good stand-in at home, and I'll show you why. All right, so I'm over here on a GE Monogram induction range. This happens to be the 36-inch induction range. When you turn this on full power, you get heat, boom, immediately. Nice high heat, and of course when you pick up the pan, you cut the heat because it's not touching the induction. Yes, a wok will work on induction. Anything magnetic. There are some cast aluminum woks out there that tend to be lower quality, so that won't do the trick. In my experience, you hit the flash point extremely quickly. And does it only heat the bowl? No, the way the heat transfer works is it quickly runs up the side. I sometimes will also use the shape of the wok to help get all of it hot, particularly once I add my oil and I do a swirl with the oil. It's amazing how quickly the wok heats up. And added bonus, the handle stays nice. So when it comes to wok cooking, I think gas is best, but that would be, again, in a commercial restaurant, or if you have an outdoor kitchen with a high power wok ring, something that's either propane or natural gas, then absolutely that's what you want. But for the sake of cooking indoors and normal kitchen cooking, induction I find is better. There's more power. The power comes on more quickly, and you get more of that light switch style cooking. And what I mean by that is that you get instant heat, and that you want that temperature of the wok to come up very, very rapidly. You're going to get that more so with induction over gas. Gas, of course, is fine, but it's going to take a little bit longer. Your pan's going to wallow down. You're going to have more steaming as opposed to that nice hot flavor, which gives you that nice wok flavor. I hope that answers the question. Thanks for the question. You can send all of your questions to DialChefMark@gmail.com. I'll make sure I make a video response. Thanks again.